Search theory of money, pioneered by Kiyotaki and Wright, 1989, represents a shift from simply assuming money has value, as in money in the utility, to explaining why money emerges as a medium of exchange due to trade frictions. At its core, search theory argues that money is essential because it overcomes the double coincidence of wants problem in an economy where trade is decentralized and anonymous. 1. The model environment. To understand the derivation, we first define the world in which these agents live. Agents and goods. There are 3 types of agents and 3 types of goods. Each type I consumes good I but produces good J. Specifically, Type 1 produces good 1, consumes good 2. Type 2 produces good 2, consumes good 3. Type 3 produces good 3, consumes good 1. Friction. No agent consumes what they produce, and no two agents want each other's goods. E.g., Type 1 wants 2, but Type 2 wants 3. Direct barter is impossible between these types. Utility and cost. U. Utility from consuming your preferred good. C. Disutility, cost of producing a good. R. The discount rate, time preference. Matching. Agents meet at a random rate alpha. Money. There is a fixed supply of fiat money, M, which is a storable object with no intrinsic utility. 2. Mathematical derivation of value functions. We use Bellman equations to describe the value of being in a specific state. There are 2 primary states. 1. V_0, the value expected lifetime utility of an agent holding a commodity being a producer. 2. V_1, the value of an agent holding 1 unit of money. Step 1. The flow value of money, V_1. Closing parenthesis. An agent holding money, V_1, is looking for someone who has the good they want. They meet someone at rate alpha. The probability that the person they meet is a producer, holding a good, is 1 minus m. The probability that this producer has the specific good they want is x. If they trade, they give up money, receive the good, consume it, gaining u, and immediately produce a new good to become a producer again, V_0. The flow value, interest R times value V_1, is. Explanation. The term, plus V_0 minus V_1, represents the net gain from trade. You gain the consumption utility, U, you transition to the producer state V_0, but you lose the money holder state V_1. Step 2. The flow value of production, V_0. Closing parenthesis. An agent holding a commodity, V_0, can only improve their situation by meeting a money holder who wants their good. They meet someone at rate alpha. The probability the other person has money is m. The probability the money holder wants their good is x. If they trade, they give up their good, receive money and transition to the money holder state, V_1. But they must pay the production cost C to refill their inventory for the next trade. The flow value for the producer is 3. Solving for the value of money. We want to find the conditions under which money has positive value, V_1 greater than V_0. To do this, we need to solve the 2 equations for the difference, V_1 minus V_0. Step 3. Isolating the terms from the V_1 equation. From the V_0 equation. Step 4. Finding the net gain of holding money, V_1 minus V_0. Closing parenthesis. Subtracting the flow equations directly is often easier. Subtract RV_0 from RV_1, colon. Let delta equals V_1 minus V_0. Substitute delta into the equation. Now group all delta terms on the left side. Factor out delta, colon. Finally, solve for delta, colon. 4. Equilibrium condition. Why is money accepted? For money to be a medium of exchange, an agent must prefer holding money over holding a commodity. This requires that the gain from accepting money exceeds the cost of production. The acceptance condition. Substitute our derived delta into this inequality. Multiply both sides by r plus alpha x, colon. Subtract alpha x mc from both sides. Divide by 1 minus m, colon. Final insight. The inequality above shows that money is only valued if the utility of consumption, U, and the meeting rate, alpha, are high enough to overcome the interest lost during the search time, R, and the cost of production, C. If this condition holds, we have a monetary equilibrium. If it fails, the economy collapses into a non-monetary state where no one accepts the intrinsically worthless fiat money because they don't believe they can trade it away later. Summary table. Key components. Component. Mathematical representation. Economic meaning. Search friction alpha. How hard it is to find a trading partner. Coincidence probability X. The chance that a partner has what you want. Liquidity value. V_1 minus V_0. The extra ease of trade provided by money. Fiat money U_money equals 0. Money has no use other than facilitating trade. Would you like me to extend this to the Lagos Right model, which adds a centralized market to allow for more complex monetary policy analysis?